Hi, we're here today at Gullwing Gulfront Suite, Unit 905. 3 bedrooms, granite countertops, tile shower. You have 2 bedrooms over here. Long hallway, washer and dryer. Huge kitchen. Bar, huge family room Gulfront, huge family room Gulfront. Nice big bar, nice big open kitchen, nice dining room over here. Look at those gorgeous Gulf views. Huge master suite. Big master bath with a jacuzzi tub, tile shower. Really nice, really nice. Really nice. Beautiful views. Let me take you out on the balcony real quick. Beautiful big balcony right down here in South Fort Myers Beach. Really nice. 5 chairs out here, 6 chairs out here. Really great sized beach. So if you're looking to stay in Fort Myers Beach, I highly recommend staying at Gullwing. Thank you.